coffee kit. Consists of an AeroPress Go, Yeti cup, and a 1-Zipresso grinder. As you can see there, there's a Presso grinder goes inside the AeroPress Go, and there's the other bits of the AeroPress sitting there on the side, the stirrer, and also the bean scoop. So the AeroPress Go beside the, in the Yeti cup and the 1-Zipresso grinder. And the grinder stays out, but everything else from the AeroPress goes into the Yeti cup, and then the silicone lid will go on top. So it all fits nicely like that. So it's all in one compact little unit. So the Yeti cup doubles as both a cup and something to hold it. It all goes together. I've got a second Yeti there, that case on hot water. You can see the coffee beans, also the AeroPresso, and also some cleanser to wash out the jug. Thank you, Rod. That's how it all goes into one bag, which is a little zip-up lunchbox. And that little zip-up lunchbox is just a decor expander. My travelling coffee kit consists of an AeroPress Go, Yeti cup,